Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review. I'm going to be showing you all about this IBY Carry On palette. Do you want to see what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so if you don't know, I normally tell you guys that I use an IBY palette literally 5 to 6 days out of the week, every single week without fail. That is like became my favorite palette, and that is the one City Limits is what it's called. And they came out with this new one called Carry On, and it's a double-sided. So it has two blushes and highlighters on one side and the eyeshadow palette on the other side. And this, when I purchased it, was $38, and I was torn if I should buy it or not because I've been spending a lot on makeup lately. But this looked absolutely gorgeous, and I know that their brand, their other palette, I use religiously pretty much. So I wanted to get this, and I wanted to show you guys in case maybe you've seen it or you're interested or whichever. So this is the look that I created out of the palette, just a quick little thing that I threw on, which I will show at the end of the video how I created this. But it comes in, because I've already opened it, obviously. It comes in this box right here, and it says it's a face palette, eyeshadow, blush, and highlighter. Yeah, double-sided palette. And on the back, it goes over, these are the highlighter and blush, and then these are the eyeshadow colors. And it says inspired by you. So let's go ahead and show you the palette. So again, this is Carry On. This will be the eyeshadow side. Remove the paper. So there is a mirror on the top. And here are the colors. You can see I dipped into a few of them because that's how I created this look already. But here are the colors right there. And I will go ahead and swatch these now for you guys. Okay, guys, so there is the whole entire palette swatched. And there we go. So again, that is this entire palette right there. And then this row starts right here and then onward. So there we go. Now the other side is the blush and highlight, which the highlight, holy moly, it's like, it's blinding. I barely put a little bit on. It's like, bling, get your sunglasses on. It's electrifying. Like, it was really, really bright, like really bright. But I think it looks really pretty. So this one has a big mirror on the top as well. And there are the colors right there. So here is the two highlight, and then here are the two blush. And let me go ahead and swatch these for you. So there we have it. I did try to put a little bit of this blush on if you saw if you watch the video, and it was a lot. Like, I barely touched my finger in it. I did not bring any other brushes other than my eyeshadow because I completely forgot about this side of the palette, and I never put blush on. So I thought I would just put a little bit just to get a little bit of color. My cheeks are normally naturally rosy. That's why I normally don't wear blush, but this would be the two blush, and then here is the two highlighters right there. And again, they are really pretty. Like, really pretty. And I've never had a highlighter or anything from IBY. I've only had the two palettes, the City Limit and the Poolside. But I did just purchase the Desert Vibes to add to it. So now I have all four of their palettes. And I did get another City Limit. So soon I'm going to do a City Limits because that's the one you guys always say you love. I get the most compliments on that particular eye look, which I do all the time. So I got another one. So when I do that one, stay tuned to the end because I will be giving one of them away for one of you guys to try because I just really love that palette. So my IBY palette order was, I got this one, I got the one for you guys, and I got the Desert Vibes to add to my collection. I will do that. If you guys want to see what that one's all about, let me know down below, and I will do that review and try on another day. But blush and highlight, and eyeshadows. So I think this is really cool. It's a really cool packaging. This is more of like a, I don't know, it's not just like the normal paper. This is like a pleather, I would assume. But just the packaging is really, really pretty as well. So I am just really glad that I did get this because I do like the colors. It looks similar to the other colors that I get, but they are a little different. And then this one, I do have the highlight and the blush all in one palette. So definitely, especially if you're traveling and you just wanted to grab one kit, this is like the kit, because with these colors, you could do the burgundy side with the pinks, or you can go straight to the browns. So you can do at least 2 to 3 different colored looks with this one palette alone. And I really do like that. So again, without blinding you, there is the eyeshadows and the blush and highlight. Oh, now it has the paper on there. And I do like how like it looks like like every other one has that raised kind of like a plush couch kind of like feel to it. They're just the way that they do their colors, and like on this one it's like every 4 like points, like the diamond, it's the same style with like the little, I've touched them all. So but I just really like I like the concept, I like their packaging, I like the design, and I really love the colors. So eyeshadow and blush and highlight palette. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. That is all that I have for you today. Again, I really wanted to show you guys this palette because I was really excited to get it, and I couldn't wait any longer with it sitting here so I can do this try on for you guys. So now I can put this in my collection and start rotating this one with the City Limits every day to get when I get ready. So there you have it. If you have any questions or you like this palette or anything like that, comment down below, let me know. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.